Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Alright viewers and subscribers, you don't know who this already? This are the Skilla, you see? Now, more have to tell you about an incident that happened on the 21st of June. That is Friday, the 21st of June 2019, where a teenage boy drowned at the Kingston Harbour. You see me I say? You know, some people call it the waterfront, you know, and according to some report, them said that it all started behind the Bank of Jamaica, you see. Now, as parents, we want to make sure so you give your youth a strong warning towards these kind of things when them left school, them gone hang out with them friends and so forth. You see me? Some of the time they want to go river and all them things, and you as a parent might not know where them there or what they are doing. So you don't need to give them a warning, you see. Now on Friday in the afternoon, you see me I say, Friday afternoon, the Marine Police of Jamaica, right? The Coast Guard them was alerted, right? Because it has been reported that a teenager from the Tivoli Garden High School that is in West Kingston, as I say, and is supposedly supposed to be from either grade 7 to 9. If it's not grade 7, it's 8 or 9. You see me? So this young man, right, a teenager and his friends went out to the waterfront, right, and they were them dead and them hang out, and one of the youth look at his friends and say, yo, you can't swim. And out of playing and, you know, mocking and playing the fact that him can't swim, one of the youth them pushed the youth in the water. Now, the youth ended up dropping in the water, right? Fall in that water at the waterfront and started to struggle to save his own life. And upon noticing that the youth has struggled for his own life, his friends now, the same friends that pushed him in the water, ran off and left him there. You see me? Now, in the afternoon now, Marine Coast Guards have been there searching, and them not really find any body of the youth. Them not see him for a while. So them head out now and gone over to Portmore side, gone out more than the ocean to see if current will bring him out and so forth. Now, reports are that they did not find the body of the teenager until the next day, late that Saturday, right, at the Kingston Harbour. So I really and truly have to bring this to you, my viewers and subscribers, to you know, all the parents them out there. Remember, just warn the youth. Make sure you tell them, say, yo, don't go out at certain places. These places need parents to be there, parental guidance. You get what I say to you? Because you see what happened? Instead of them calling for help out of panic, these youths ran and didn't even realize what they were doing. You get what I'm saying to you? But anyways, my condolences to the family and the friends and the loved ones to this young man. So I say, I believe you, me know them supposed to be hurt about something like this. And this is really a tragic thing. You get what I'm saying to you? And you don't know a thing already. Anyways, me just try my best to keep on up to date and post it and go up some teaching or something, you know. Just please parents, make sure you tell the youth them, say, yo, know which part them are go, you know, don't go out, you know, certain places without your guidance there. You see me I say it's not right. Alright? And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I want to big up on yourself. You see it?